Alright, so I was thinking in regards to these hairstyles, because that's the challenge, something bold, brilliant, beautiful. Beauty though is relative. But nonetheless, what about this style right here? Zoom in. I think I'm gonna choose that one for you.
Say hi. Salome, what's the matter? So many options. It just felt more natural. Now he sees what we go through. So much to choose from.
If it was the other way around, I would already know what I'm looking for. If I was, if I constantly was shopping for these barbers, I would know exactly what I'm looking for. But I don't.
Okay, it's cool. It's cool. Take your time.
No, I'm done.
Okay.
Just helping you with it.
All right.
Yeah.
Even when I know what I'm looking for, I still see stuff that pique my interest, so it's still difficult. It's never cut and dry, like, oh, unless I'm on a mission, then it might be. Long and luck, cool.
So now that we get the products wash, I was going to get a conditioner, but they don't have the conditioner.
Oh.
I had to get it from the beauty supply store.
Okay. So you got it looks like you got a styler.
Yes.
And
It's supposed to be a styler.
a shampoo. A styler and a shampoo? Okay. All right. To be continued.
Alright, so I was thinking in regards to these hairstyles, because that's the challenge, something bold, brilliant, beautiful. Beauty though is relative. But nonetheless, what about this style right here? Zoom in on that. I think I'm gonna choose that one. How do we get it done? That's the question.
Lots of braiding hair in various colors.
So weave too?
Braiding hair, weave, yeah.
I want you to color your hair. That would be more original.
With temporary color gel, sure.
Yeah, but you're still gonna have to wear it outside the house when we come to the store.
No, we'd be inside. Inside only.
That's a quarantine style.
Quarantine style only. All right, we're in the spot, the beauty supply shop. There you go.
So, pretty much what we're doing is looking for some styling products, and in conjunction with that, some conditioners and some shampoos. We're trying to figure out what kind of style works best for you, according to a recommendation by Moore. Right? So, I would like to go with some kind of unique curl style that I've seen online, and see if you're able to pull it off. But I'm trying to find the best product. So I know about Jane Carter because I know some people just go with these products right here and show you what the style is that I recommend, and hopefully you'll be able to pull it off. And this is what, $40 worth of product right here.
Wow, James Carter is the real deal.
Who is funding this? Me or you? I'll be going half on this. This is not what I was expecting.
This is the brand that you picked.
It is the brand that I picked. But what I'm saying is I didn't know the prices was going to be like that.
And this is now you know they have a trial kit. Go around the corner. So that's what I was initially going to purchase when I found out about them, and it has a little bit of everything in it, but I never ended up doing so. So it's funny that you select this brand, because I was like, yes.
So in the curls kit, you have your curl drench. This is a co-wash, your curl cocktail, another styling gel. Looks like they have the shine on that we was going to select. They have the gel, which we was going to get as well. And I think this is a much better investment, especially if we're just trying out a style. And the product, you said you've used this brand before?
No, but I've investigated them before.
So this will be a brand new venture right here. So we'll go with this for $16.99. Gives you a little bit of everything. And you could probably get a couple of styles out of this, but my recommendation is for one, because that's the purpose of this challenge. Okay. So this is it right here. Right. Jane Carter Solutions, love your hair curls to go. So Jane Carter Solutions, if you're watching this, make sure you give us a shout out, because this is going to be the best video that you guys have. All right. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Okay. These curls are super soft. I don't know how long this is gonna last, but the products that I use probably for soft, touchable curls. But we're almost there. I gotta get it into that style. Then we're gonna see what hubby thinks. All right, be right back. Okay, you guys, so I think that this is it. Let me give you a 360. This hold is very soft, so I think these Curls to Go products are meant for like a super soft wash and go, which is nice. I look forward to trying those out for a wash and go soon. I'll let you guys know when I do. But let's see what the hubby thinks. Let's go find it. Okay, let's see where he's at. Okay, so this is the hair. Looking with his very critical eye.
Okay, not too bad. Not too bad.
It's a little fluffy. My hair's always extra fluffy than the
I guess that product helped. The Jane Carter Solutions. Shout out to Jane Carter. Make sure you promote this video. Yeah, I mean, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. It looks like corkscrews. I don't have a corkscrew to kind of test it with, but yeah. So what did you do to style it?
So I ended up doing, well, everybody will see in the video, but I ended up using perm rods to set my hair like this. I mean, I guess I probably could have done a wash and go with it, but her curls looked more like uniform and controlled. Like it had some kind of rod set to style it. So that's why I went with that. But the products that I use aren't really for that, but I made it work. So.
So what would you have used if you was in the store for this?
Well, foam or mousse. Jane Carter does have it's called Wrap and Roll foaming mousse. It's not a part of the Curls to Go collection, but she does have a foaming mousse, and that would have set it off and made sure. Because I don't know how long these gonna last. They might last for like a day or two. It's really hot outside. Might be very humid, so I don't know. It might be a day or two, but I can always recycle this.
Spray something in here and keep the hold
into something else.
Do you have something to do that?
I don't use hairspray.
You can just spray it and give a hold, and then come back and visit me when everything is holding.
Okay, we'll try.
Yes,
we will try.
Next time, I'm gonna give you a more difficult style.
Oh yeah, come on.
With some more obscure products.
Obscure.
You have to make it work. Yes, some little known products, and you're gonna have to make a difficult hairstyle work. Yep. So hope you all enjoyed this challenge. Again, this is me just shooting in the dark. She made it happen. So now to her beginnings.
Yes.
In the building.
Yeah. Okay, we got Divine here. All right. That's it, you guys. Until I see you the next time. Hope you enjoyed this video. First of all, let me know if you think I nailed it. Let me know if you like the style he chose and the products. If you want to see more challenges like this, definitely let me know that down in the comments as well. Give me a big thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe.
Are you gonna share that picture next to yours?
Oh yeah, it's already in the works. Yep. Thanks, babe. So until the next time, don't forget to live out loud, own your truth, and let your light shine.